Welcome back, Blazers. I'm your host, Novanya Solari, a Venture Blazers superhero, and this is another episode in our Nano Banana Deep Dive series. In the main episode, we explored what Nano Banana is, how to access it, and why it's such a game changer for creators and entrepreneurs. But today, we're going to zoom in on one of the most practical, and honestly, most powerful ways you can use Nano Banana, building a consistent brand character or mascot. Because let's face it, AI is amazing at generating one-off images. But the real challenge is this. How do you go from one selfie to a whole mini-movie storyboard or Instagram campaign without losing your face? That's what today's masterclass is all about. We're going to cover how to keep your characters consistent across angles, scenes, and creative variations while avoiding the most common fails. And by the end, you'll know how to walk away with actual deliverables, like a storyboard PDF, an Instagram carousel, and a YouTube thumbnail set, all powered by Nano Banana. So let's dive in. Part 1. Why consistency matters in Nano Banana. Nano Banana is incredibly powerful because it lets you not only generate images from scratch, but also edit existing ones. That means you can create your brand avatar once, then keep using it across dozens of scenes. But here's the catch. Without consistency, your character will drift. One day they'll have different hair, the next day their face shape changes, and suddenly your mascot looks like 5 different people. That breaks trust with your audience. When you use Nano Banana strategically, you can lock in your character's DNA. So your VB superhero, your brand mascot, or even your personal avatar is instantly recognizable no matter where they show up. And that's what separates amateur content from pro-level brand storytelling. Part 2. Picking a strong base inside Nano Banana. Consistency starts with your base image. Inside Nano Banana, you can either upload a selfie or start with a text prompt. Here's what to keep in mind. Number 1. Angle. Go for something simple and clear. A frontal or 3/4 view works best. Skip distorted selfies or low-light snaps. Nano Banana will build from whatever you give it. Number 2. Lighting. Start with neutral, soft lighting. Nano Banana's editing tools let you add drama later. But if your base has harsh shadows, every variation will carry that baggage. Number 3. Detail tags. Be specific. If your mascot has long, wavy auburn hair and a superhero suit with a golden VB emblem, spell that out in your prompt spine. Don't assume Nano Banana will remember. Your base is your anchor. Treat it like your passport photo. It defines who you are across every future creative scene. Part 3. The prompt spine for Nano Banana. In the main episode, we talked about how Nano Banana thrives on clear, structured prompts. Here's where that becomes gold, your prompt spine. The prompt spine is a reusable prompt that locks in your character's fixed traits while allowing flexibility for different environments. Fixed traits: face shape, hairstyle, outfit details, logo colors. Flexible traits: scene, props, mood, camera angle. For example, here's a Nano Banana prompt spine for one of our Venture Blazers superheroes. Photorealistic female superhero avatar named Saphira Blaze, with long dark curls and warm brown eyes, wearing a sleek VB branded suit with a golden VB emblem. Consistent facial structure, confident expression, cinematic lighting. Then, every time you want a new variation, just add. In a coffee shop, holding a latte with soft daylight, or on a neon-lit city street at night, dramatic reflections on wet pavement. That way, Nano Banana knows what's non-negotiable and what it can play with. Part 4. Angles Library. To really unlock Nano Banana, you need a character angles library. Inside AI Studio or Nano Banana AI, generate your character in at least these 5 angles. Frontal, 3/4 view. Profile, over the shoulder, wide establishing. Why? Because when you start making YouTube thumbnails, Instagram carousels, or even a PDF storyboard, you'll need variety. Nano Banana can shift angles naturally, but only if you guide it. I recommend creating a folder called Avatar Angles and storing your best outputs there. That way, anytime you create new content, you already have the foundation to keep things consistent. Part 5. Scene Variations with Nano Banana. This is where Nano Banana shines, and where creators often lose control. Want your mascot in a dentist chair? A cinema? Jedi cosplay? Easy. But without guardrails, the AI will drift. Here's how to do it right. Restate your spine every time. Don't assume Nano Banana remembers your hair color or costume logo. Add scene-specific cues. Coffee shop equals window light, latte cup. Cinema equals dim glow from screen. Cosplay equals dramatic lighting, lightsaber glow. Control lighting transitions. If your base is daylight, say same daylight with neon highlights instead of just neon. That tells Nano Banana to build on what it already knows. Think of it like training wheels for your mascot. With Nano Banana, you can swap out props, costumes, and settings endlessly without losing your character's face. Part 6: Common Fails and Quick Fixes in Nano Banana. Let's be real. Nano Banana is amazing, but it's not perfect. Here are the most common fails you'll face and how to fix them. Warped hands. Keep prompts simple. Holding a mug instead of 5 fingers around a mug. Hair drift. Re-anchor hair description in every prompt. Lighting overwrites. Transition lighting step by step rather than swapping extremes. Logo loss. Repeat VB emblem clearly visible on chest every time. Expression shifts. Instead of just saying serious, use nuance like gentle, confident smile. Nano Banana is like a brilliant intern. It can do amazing work, but only if you give it clear instructions. Part 7: Deliverables with Nano Banana. Okay, so what do you actually walk away with? Here are the deliverables I recommend building inside Nano Banana. PDF storyboard. Lay out your avatar in different scenes and angles. This becomes your brand's visual Bible. Instagram carousel. Showcase variations. Coffee shop, cinema, cosplay, in swipeable format. This trains your audience to recognize your mascot. YouTube thumbnail set. Generate expressive poses with bold backgrounds. Store them in a folder so you always have fresh, on-brand visuals. When you package your Nano Banana outputs into deliverables, you're not just experimenting. You're creating a brand asset library. Part 8: Entrepreneur Takeaways. So let's connect the dots. In our main Nano Banana episode, we said this tool could save entrepreneurs time, spark creativity, and replace expensive design work. This sub-episode proves it. Character consistency is the secret weapon. When your mascot looks the same in every scene, your brand looks professional. Your thumbnails pop, your Instagram carousels feel cohesive, and your audience instantly recognizes you. Nano Banana isn't just about making cool images. It's about scaling your brand identity across platforms. And once you master consistency, you can use your avatar like a true storytelling engine. In closing, let's recap today's masterclass. Start with a strong base inside Nano Banana. Build a prompt spine, fixed traits versus flexible traits. Generate your angles library. Add scene variations without drift. Fix common fails with smart prompt tweaks. Package it all into deliverables, storyboards, carousels, thumbnails. From one selfie, you can create a whole mini-movie, and Nano Banana makes it possible. This has been your Character Consistency Masterclass, part of our Nano Banana sub-series on Venture Blazers. I'm your host, Novanya Solari, a Venture Blazers superhero, reminding you, stay consistent, stay creative, and as always, keep blazing forward.